we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Airspark air purifiers. Highlight features or overview summary are include: powerful and effective purification. Equipped with a powerful long-life motor, designed with 360-degree air intake circulation. CADR of 187 square meter per hour, 110 CFM refreshes an 825 square feet space once per hour. Fresh air in minutes with Airspark air purifier for home, large room and small room. Certified by ETL, FCC, and CA65. Quality assured with a 2-year free replacement warranty, filters are excluded, and lifetime technical support. Advanced 4-stage filtration. Ultra-fine pre-filter, enhanced pollen and pet filter, H1 true HEPA filter, active carbon filter. Airspark air purifiers utilize a 4-in-1, H1 true HEPA filter captures at least 99.97% of 0.3 micron particles such as smoke, pollen, pet hair, dander, and more. Absorb smoke, kitchen, cooking, and pets' smell. Effectively improve air quality, help with sneezing, running nose, and uncomfortable symptoms caused by pets' hair, dander, pollen, or airborne particles. 23 decibels whisper quiet and sleep mode. Airspark newest sleek and portable air purifier for bedroom, nursery room, and dorm room. Operates at a near silent noise level as low as 23 decibels, along with high airflow and purification. Sleep mode to turn off all lights. Enjoy a peaceful sleep with clean air without being disturbed. Night light and 4 wind speeds and 2 to 12 hour timer. Designed with night light, 1/2/3/4 adjustable wind speeds and 2/4/8/12 hour timer settings. Soft night light can be turned on for baby care as a baby air purifier or mind ease at night, or turned off to enjoy a sweat dream. 1/2/3/4 wind speeds let you easier to select a suitable wind speed according to the air quality. Run 2/4/8/12 hours before automatically powering off. Suitable air purifier for dorm room, bedroom, living room, nurseries, kitchens, study room, office. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.